Hi, it's Patrick with E38. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Reach RX in ArcGIS Field Maps. For this functionality in iOS, your RX will need to have the MFI certification. First, we'll open the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone and pair the RX. Once connected, we'll open Emlid Flow to configure our corrections. We'll select N-Trip over Bluetooth and an appropriate N-Trip profile. I'm receiving corrections, so now I'll open Field Maps. We'll navigate to our profile settings, and under Location, I'll tap on Provider. Then tap Add. We should see our RX listed with its serial number, and tap Add. Then input our pole height plus 145 millimeters for our antenna offset. Now we're ready to start collecting our data in Field Maps. This has been Patrick with E38 Survey Solutions. Thanks for watching.